Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Mom Nicole, and today for this video, I will be showing you what I'm going to put in my Balik-Bayan box that I'm going to send in the Philippines. So, I did this video before. I did send 2 boxes last year, but this year, I am just going to send 1 because I'm broke. Yes, I'm broke. Anyways, this is just an idea, especially to those new Filipinos in the other country or in the US that's sending boxes in the Philippines, and just to give you an idea what to put inside that your family will like. Keep on watching. See, very important you guys send vitamins and medicine back home. It's very important to protect their health, especially during this pandemic. So I have vitamins for kids, for adults, daily vitamins, fish oil, vitamin C, ano ba to? Mga Centrum, vitamin E. Padala lang sa akin yan. But it is from Walgreens for 13 cents each. Very good deal. So, yan. Tapos, of course, shampoo, lotion, toothpaste, body wash. Whatever you can find on sale in the store, grab it. If you think that your family can use it, go ahead and do it. This is just like body spray and body lotion that Bath & Body during their sales. I get it really cheap. Ayan. Kasama na ang mga nakaw sa pantry at mga stock dito. And kids toys. We have educational toys. Preschool game. Ayan. Legos. Meron din tayong Skippy, sausage, Spam. It's my family's favorite. This is found on sale on Costco. This is Lipton iced tea. I got this. My family like this too. Instead of coffee. So, I got this. This was on sale on Costco too. And nakaw sa pantry namin. Mga hindi na kinakain. Alam nyo yun? Oliva. Mga inutil. Charot. Ito, na chocolate. I'm not going to send a lot of chocolate because this is just mainly for my family this time. Kasi pobre na po ang iyong kaibigan. Kaya ayan po. Meron tayong mga footwear, meron tayong sandals, shoes, sandals din tong sa loob. We have clothing also. Kids and adults. Some are new, some are used. And meron tayong backpacks. Meron tayong bra na malaki. New and used purse. Ano pa ba? At ito po yung box ko. Ito po yung box ko. Hopefully magkasya po lahat. Yan po yung ipapadala ko. Kung may space pa po ako, I will buy a little more stuff. Pero pag wala na, hindi ko na po alam. Sana magkasya siya. Well guys, just simple, just basic needs that my family will use. And, you know, I'm sure they will be very happy and thankful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.